thanks for my first talk ever at a big conference. I'm Konstantin, I'm a French developer in Bordeaux. And today I want to talk about mechanical keyboards. At the beginning it was something like that, exactly in 1865. No, just kidding. We're on 2019, so we have great stuff. Right? Great stuff. Maybe not. So let me introduce you to the world of custom mechanical keyboards. It's essentially something between this old-fashioned thing and this pro-gamerish sniper killer RGB. Some key points of a Mac keyboard are the fact that it's more durable, that you have better components that are sometimes more expensive, but that will totally pay off in the long term. That it's maintainable, so if you have an issue, you can fix it because there are standards. There is also a great community, an awesome community. It's a bit hidden on Reddit, some Discords and some forums, but it's there and they are really helpful. It's endlessly customizable. Because you can have a lot of switches, like for typing, for gaming. If you want something really silent or something like really noisy, just for fun. You also can have some tasteful keycaps with colors, themes, or shapes that may vary. There are artisans, which are handmade ones, and so much more. The feel is the most important part, is how your fingers will feel it, and if it's cool. By the way, if you're interested to test one, you may hit me after the talk. I have one, which is pretty nice. There's QMK, which is an open source free firmware that you can flash on the PCB. It can add some layers, which is essentially getting a lot of keys on a small form factor. You have tap dance, which is like pressing several times a key to get some function. Leader key for Vim users, not sure if there are. And you also can play piano with your keyboard, like with some sound thing. And a lot of pretty more stuff. It's also more helpful for your fingers because you can change your mapping to get like Dvorak, Colmac, Workman instead of the regular QWERTY. And you can have like split ergonomical keyboards for your wrists. And since it's a lightning talk, we're gonna go fast still. If you need an in-depth guide on how to build your own keyboard, I have one blog post, so you can check it later on. Now, some creations from the community that may be nice. You have that one, which is a 60% form factor, the most famous one. You have a keyblade by a French guy named Clavier, which is pretty sexy. Those are the artisans that are handcrafted. There are Krakens, pretty beautiful. Those two are some split ergonomical keyboards that you may use for the wrist, as told before, or just a sexy one layout simply if you want some subtle theme. If it's not your thing, or if you're afraid a bit to break things, you can still reach some companies that may build one for you. It will be a bit more expensive, but totally worth it, and you will still get the mechanical keyboard benefits and feeling. That's pretty much all. So if you like that talk, you can follow me on Twitter. I'm speaking about JavaScript, Linux stuff, and custom-made keyboards. Thank you very much.